Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming basic power and connection so you can isolate the problem quickly. First, remove old batteries or connect the cable and try a fresh battery or full charge. Low power causes jitter and disconnects. Once done, move the USB receiver to another port or use a 1-foot USB extension to rule out port interference. Then enter your computer's Bluetooth or receiver pairing mode and repair the mouse. This separates hardware faults from software issues. Next, you address software and physical precision because many faults hide in drivers or dirt. Uninstall Logitech GHUB or Options, reboot, then reinstall the latest version. This refreshes corrupted settings. Make sure to run the firmware updater while the mouse is directly connected to a port to prevent bricking. Meanwhile, clean the sensor window and scroll mechanism with compressed air and a 70% isopropyl swab to fix skipping or erratic cursor movement caused by debris. To finish, you consolidate fixes and validate reliability so the mouse is production ready. Perform a factory reset using the model's button sequence, then test the mouse on another computer and on different surfaces to confirm the issue is resolved. If problems persist, swap the cable or USB receiver to rule out physical failure, and only then contact Logitech support with serial and firmware details. Quick troubleshooting tip. If the mouse works on a second PC, focus on host OS settings and USB power management.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.